Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about REST parameter in JavaScript. We are going to know what is it. Let's get started. So what is REST parameter? REST parameter, it is an argument that is passed to a function, and the function it is going to treat it like a sequence of items as an array, like this. Suppose here we have a function sum. And then here we're going to use three dots, then args, and this argument here, this is what we call a REST parameter. And this REST parameter here, our function is treating it like an array, like this. Args. Let's console. Let's even put here 1. Here we're getting, as you can see in the console, we're getting here 1. How it works now? Here, when we are putting here item, for example, you add another item 27, we're getting here an array which contains 3 items. But how it works? Here, when we are adding here item, JavaScript interpreter it is adding this item within an array like this. They are enclosed this item within an array. It means once we add 1, 2, and 7, this is a sequence, and then here this item, they are enclosed them within a square bracket. That's how it works. They're treating it like an array. This args here, it is an array. Let me put a comment to remind you, is args is an array. Now as args is an array, let's create it another variable here. Let's sum. We are going to make this total sum of this item within the array. This is an array. Don't treat it like other thing. Treat it like an array. But as it is an array, we are going to iterate through it. And then here we are going to do sum plus the value. Okay. And then we are going to return sum here. Let's console this function. Here we're getting 10 here. Okay, getting here 10. It means we are getting 10. We are making the sum of this sequence 2, 3, and 7 equals to 10. Let's create another function. Function, for example, get user data. Say args. Then here let's call this function get user. We're going to pass here, for example, first name. Let's say let's console first this. We have here an object like this. Let's say user, and then it has first name like this. We have John. It has email, and then let's say another thing, cons. Example here, cons. We're going to put another example, another object. For example, say person address. You're going to say address is going to be New York, and then here we're going to pass these two objects as parameter to our get user data. We're going to pass it as an object, and then here we're going to say user. You're going to pass here user, and then you're going to pass here person address as person address, and here we are going to get an array of objects. If you're not familiar with objects, go check it out my course where I talked about objects to follow along. Now here, let's console args here. Let's see what we get in the console. We are getting here an array which contains two objects, user and person address. This is guys, here we can get access to our array like this. Let's do this. See, here we're getting an object which contains user and person address. We can use here destructuring because we're going to do user and we're going to extract also person address like this. If you are not familiar about destructuring, go check it out. Of course, a video where I talked about destructuring like this. Here we go. Here user and person objects. Yeah, we are getting here are two objects here. Here we are using destructuring here. This is destructuring. Yeah, first name and last name. Here we can get access to the first name, prop, and the person address. Here we're getting here, let's have a comment here. Okay, we are getting here John and New York. We are getting the name and the address. That's pretty much it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and I see you in the next one.